I'm David McGuffin. I'm host of Canadian Geographic's Explore podcast, and I'm really thrilled right now to be up in Cambridge Bay in Nunavut. We're working out of the studio here, which arguably I think has one of the best views of any studio in the Arctic. We're looking at Cambridge Bay behind me. We're here at a special time of year. The sun is no longer rising above the horizon, so we're getting this beautiful twilight. We're working out of the Canadian High Arctic Research Station, which is part of Polar Knowledge Canada. We're up here training local youth, Cambridge Bay youth, on podcasting, telling their stories in their own voices, giving them the skills they need to tell those stories and reach out to the world. It's been a fascinating and fun program. The kids have been super enthusiastic. I've been really happy to work with them. And the stories they've been bringing out have been just incredible. And we're looking forward to sharing all those with you. Hopefully we'll have some amazing stories coming out of here that these kids have worked up themselves. So this is a program that began based just out of a conversation between the Chief Science Officer, David Hick, up here at Cambridge Bay at CHARS, and with our own Editor-in-Chief, Alex, at Canadian Geographic. And we're looking forward, we're hoping that this is something we can repeat throughout communities across the North. Working with youth, giving them the skills they need to tell their stories in what is really a super accessible kind of way. Podcasting is something anyone can do. It's great that we have this studio and we're thrilled to be using it, but it's something people can do from their basements, from their bedrooms, from their garages, wherever they are, with the basic amount of equipment. So our hope is to roll this out right across the North and to work with all different communities and get those stories out there to make Canada better known to Canadians and to the world.